Hi everyone, this is Meredith Metzger and I'm a data journalist here at Emsi. Today I want to show you how to use some of our education data in Emsi Recruit. Let's say you're writing a job description for a software engineer in Seattle. How do you know what level of education to require? To find out, we'll use Emsi Recruit, our labor data tool built specifically for recruiters. First, we'll click on the Recruiting Analysis report and search for software engineers in the Seattle, Tacoma, Bellevue MSA. In the executive summary, we can see a big picture view of the supply, average salary range, and demand for software engineers in this region. To find education information, we'll go to the More in-Depth Supply section and click on the Education tab. Here we can see a breakdown of education levels for software engineers. If you want to require a bachelor's degree, you're probably safe because 64% of software engineers in the Seattle area have one. But if you want to require a master's degree, you'll have a much smaller talent pool to work with. We can also see which schools in the Seattle area are producing the most software engineers. So if you're looking to hire new graduates, University of Washington would be a good place to start. Now you're ready to write that job description and get a head start on your recruiting strategy. For more information about Emsi and our data solutions for businesses, visit economicmodeling.com.